scared. Is it a hedgehog? What's the size of it?
No hedgehog.
What is the Chinese thing on the bottom? Nothing?
It's a Duck Dynasty Christmas.
I'm really scared. My heart's beating really fast.
Put your Duck Dynasty hat on.
Are you kidding me right now? You are not being serious right now.
Which one is that?
I'll pull it out of the back. I can't breathe. Oh my god. I'll pull it out of the back. I can't. My heart's beating so fast. Pull it out of the back. Show your dad.
What is it? What is it? What does it say?
I swear to God, it's a secret convertible. Oh my god.
Does it say anything else on it?
Where is it? Oh my god.
Does it say anything else on it?
It's a 2005 Chrysler big black convertible. I swear to God, this is the
Out in the garage. Out in the garage. In the garage. Now wait. Turn the light on when you first come out there.
The door's locked.
So I got some. Turn that light on.
You are kidding me. If this is not the biggest one, I'm gonna cry.
Sit in it. We gotta open the garage door.
I love it so much!
Hang on a sec.
Oh my god! I'm gonna cry!
This is. I can't.
Wait, I wanna get a picture.
Did you look it over pretty good?
Hang on. Hey, one more time. And just say.
Okay, wait a minute.